Today's crime story is about a young serial killer who murders 70 people ruthlessly. Who comes to your mind when you think of a serial killer? Charles Sobhraj, the bikini killer, who would charm beautiful young women only to kill them. The merciless Jack, the Ripper, whose identity is yet to be confirmed. Charles Manson, who managed a number of followers who were willing to support and kill for him. Or Ted Bundy, who would sexually assault, kill and decapitate his victims before keeping their severed heads in his apartment as trophies. J.B. Iqbal, the murderer of 100 innocent children, who sodomized 100 boys and cut their body into small pieces and dissolve in hydrochloric acid. He belongs to Rajasthan, Jaipur, the land of kings. Rajasthan is the jewel in India's crown. Jaipur is the gateway to Rajasthan. The colors of Rajasthan are impossible to ignore, and the effect of emerald green, canary yellow and fire engine red turbans and saris is simply dazzling, and its legacies of pride and tradition. The Hammerman of India, or the merciless serial killer, Kanpatimar Shankariya, emerged as one of the most brutal serial killer from the land of kings, Rajasthan, Jaipur, during late 70s. A man apparently looking handsome, was actually a merciless serial killer. Kanpatimar Shankariya was one of the most infamous serial killers in the history of India. He left at least 70 proven victims dead from hammer blows to the head within a short period of 1 year, from 1977 to 1978. He was given the nickname Kanpatimar because of his killing way, as he used to hit people in the side of the head, which the Indian people called Kanpati. A native of Jaipur, India, a 27-year-old young man, Kanpatimar Shankariya comes out of his home late night, in search of his prey. He was targeting people on the roads of Jaipur. He found alone late night. He subtly attacked the person going by the way. He used to hit the target with a hammer very quickly, and let them to die on the dark street. He was known for murdering his victims with only a hammer, and Kanpatimar Shankariya was active only for 1 year, and murdered at least 70 innocent people on the dark streets of Jaipur, Rajasthan. He was only 26 years old when he was captured by the Rajasthan police. When the Rajasthan police interrogated him, he confessed to murder 70 people by a hammer, hitting them on head in the dark nights of Rajasthan. Shankariya also told the police that he had killed his victims for the pleasure it provided. The native serial killer of Rajasthan, India, Kanpatimar Shankariya was convicted in early 1979 of using a hammer to murder at least 70 victims over a period of past 2 years. He was sentenced to death by Indian courts. Kanpatimar Shankariya, or the Hammerman of India, was hanged in a Jaipur jail on May 16, 1979. The killer's last words were a gallows lament. "I have murdered in vain. Nobody should become like me." Kindly don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube channel for more thrilling stories from across the globe. Thank you for watching this video.